Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to create tags and add context to those tags inside the Quick Hub CRM. Start by opening Quick Hub and clicking on CRM from the sidebar. Then, go to the Tags section inside CRM. Here, you can organize your contacts into specific groups for easier management. Click Create Tag. Enter your tag name. Next, select the contacts you want to associate with this tag. Once you're done, click Create Tag to save it. To add more contacts later, click on the tag name you just created. Then, click Add More Contacts. Select the additional contacts you'd like to include and click Save to update the tag. After saving, review the tag details to confirm that all selected contacts have been added successfully. Your tag is now ready to use for campaigns, broadcasts, or contact filters. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag and added contacts to it in Quick Hub CRM. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you organize, automate, and grow your business.